Hello everyone, welcome to Gochi Academy's creative art activity for children. So today we are going to explore some of the new technique which can be a good background for your work. So let's just go ahead and find out what kind of technique we are going to see today. So for today's activity, I have a piece of sponge and some tissue paper, and I have pasted the sheet today using the masking tape. I'm sure you all know what masking tape is. You can get this in any of the art material shop or in hardware shop. And I have already squeezed some colors here and kept it ready. So I'm just going to show how the sponge is going to give you the effect, and also you can use this tissue paper by just crushing it. It's going to give you a different kind of a texture. So let's just go ahead and see how both looks on the sheet. So first I'm just going to use the sponge. You can just gently tap it on the sheet and try to blend all the colors, or if you want to try with one color initially, you can always go ahead and do that. I like using multiple colors because when you blend it, it gives a different new color. For the rest of the place, I think I'm going to use the tissue paper. Just try to blend the leftover spots. You know, the texture the sponge creates and the tissue paper creates totally different. If you just see this closely, it's going to be really beautiful. If you want, you can just do anything on you can use this as a background and do anything on top of it. So I'm just going to remove the masking tape and show you how it is going to look. So this piece of art is going to look absolutely great on your wall. So hope you have found this technique very interesting. This can be a beautiful background for any of your painting. In my future videos, I'm going to show you how you can paint something on top of such a background. So today I have used a piece of sponge, but you can feel free to try a piece of cloth or a cotton ball or anything that you find. Keep exploring and try to bring out new different textures to your painting. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. So until then, thank you very much from Meenatchi, Gopal.